Hey guys, what is up? It is approximately 3 in the afternoon, you guys. So I just gotta finish cleaning up this house, making sure I sanitize all these doorknobs, light switches, and things like that, y'all. So I am done. Checked off my list for today. As you guys already saw, baby London is asleep, you guys. I think I'm about to tell all the kids to take a nap because your girl need a break, okay? They haven't had no nap today and they all need a nap. Yeah. I wasn't gonna let them go outside, but it's cold out there today, you guys. It's super cold out there. And yeah. But they are in their room playing. I think Marion and Amina and them, but they're all in the living room watching TV. I'm about to cook, you guys. I'm cooking some pork chops, some Mexican corn, and I think I'm going to put some mashed potatoes with that on the side and some biscuits. So yeah, that's all that I have planned for today. I hope you guys are doing well with this. Some of you guys are quarantined and some of us just don't have, like, some of our stuff is like closed down here, like restaurants and all that is closed, so we can't dine in restaurants, we can't go to the movies, mall, etc, etc. Okay, you guys, so that is what's going on here. So like I said, I hope you guys and your families are doing well with in this time, you guys. I just hope that it blows over soon, even though it really don't seem like it really will, but you know, let's hope and pray for the best. So I had to put my robe on, you guys, because I was super, well, at least babe robe, because I was super cold. You guys already know that I am anemic. Whew, y'all, I am tired. I'm tired. Well, at least tired holding this freaking camera stand, tripod or whatever. So anyway, you guys, I'm going to go set up, get you guys ready to go with me, and let's cook. I swear I've been in the house looking crazy all week, y'all. So I decided to put myself together. so I am about to start cooking. My job is officially done with London. Look at Belle, y'all. She all up in the kitchen. Come on, mama. Come on, mama. Look at her. She is like the cutest little thing walking. Like, seriously. Cute. So anyway, y'all, I'm gonna put y'all right there, but I got a package today and I wanted to open it with you guys. So let's open this package up and see what we got. Y'all, excuse the chair. I got the chairs on top of the table, but anyway. So this package came today. Let's see. And it says, let's see where, if anybody left a note in here.
Pampers.
I think they did. Yeah, some Pampers. It says, a gift for you. Enjoy your gift and your beautiful baby girl from Monica J. Thanks so much, Monica J. We really do appreciate the Pampers. Can't get enough of Pampers these days anyway. So thank you. These will definitely come in handy for London. Yeah, we really do appreciate it. I appreciate you guys for getting anything off of our registry. So yes, thank you so much, Monica J. Yeah, you guys. So with that being said, we got that out of the way. Now it is time to cook. So you guys, I plan on cooking pork chops. I know I told you guys I'm planning on pork chops. You guys, I don't know if you guys eat Mexican corn, but my mom used to make those when we were kids, and oh my goodness, they are so good. So I'm definitely making that today. Making some Mexican corn. I don't know what other side I might cook with this just yet. I know I said mashed potatoes, but I think we're gonna do macaroni and cheese. Let's do macaroni and cheese today. Yeah, so definitely doing some macaroni and cheese, some Mexican corn, some pork chops, and I'm going to be making some biscuits, you guys. So this right here is the biscuits I'm going to be making. So these are the biscuits. They are so good. Oh my goodness, I almost burnt them. I made some, I think, the last 2 days, I think. I made some and I almost burned them because I almost forgot. Trying to promise the kids that we could maybe make some cookies today, so I think I'll just keep them out. Because if I keep them out, then I'll hold myself to it. So, yeah, y'all. My pork chops is over there. I am about to make the kids some Kool-Aid because I am so tired of them drinking all their juices. You know how kids do, they think every time they're supposed to have some juice. No. So, this right here is all the drinks that we have. We still have water. They still have juices, little juices and stuff like that. We still have Gatorade and things like that. But, you know, we're trying to save, you know. So.
Look at what you've done. Stand still, falling away from me. When it takes so long, fire's out. What do you want to be? Now I'm holding on. All this time was never enough for me. Gotta be so strong. There's a power in what you do. Now every other day I've been watching you. to me. Now I'm holding on. Always that was never enough for me. Gotta be so strong. There's no power in what you do. Now every other day I've been watching you. If you want to be rich, you gotta let me know. And if you really need me, you gotta let me know. I'll show you what it feels like. Now I'm on the outside. We did everything right. Now I'm on the outside. I'll show you what it feels like. Now I'm on the outside. We did everything right. Now I'm on the outside. Look at what you've done.
Alright, you guys, so it is 7 o'clock. I wanted everybody to eat before 8.
When it takes
And I did that, honey. So I'm done cooking. Everybody done ate their food. You guys, it was so good. I did end up making the cookies for the kids. That way they can have a little treat for tonight. So they will get that in a little while once it cools off. I am about to wind down, take me a shower, clean my face, and relax, you guys, in my bed, period. So I think they're in there watching The Sleep Doctor. Yesterday they actually watched that Disney movie called Magnificent. You know, I'm not even gonna try to say it, but it's a Disney movie they actually watched yesterday, you guys. So I'm just trying to, you know, have different things for the kids to be able to watch, like different movies, so we can have like family night, movie night, or whatever you want to call it, so they can have something to do, you know, watch when being out of school right now, because this coronavirus got everything closed and everything is going crazy right now. So I did end up getting those movies out the red box. So yeah, you guys, definitely, like I said, I'm going to wind down. This is the end of this video. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. Don't forget, if you did enjoy it, please give me a big thumbs up. Make sure you guys comment below. Let me know what you guys think about the food. And make sure you guys share with your family and friends, because don't forget, sharing is caring. I love you guys, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.